day. I'm your host, Nigel Joshua, and welcome to another excursion to the world outside. On today's special installment, we are going to show you how here in the special part of the wilderness, in the northwestern, upper, southernmost, eastern, western part of South America, there is a special breed of crows that live in the trees amongst us. Now, I, being Nigel Joshua, am very adept in communicating with the crows. I know their call. It's something like this. I think I have spotted a few, and they're gathering around because of my special mating call, which attracts them. All right, I must go. But only for now. I will be back very shortly. I'll still be as tall, but it will be in a short matter of time. Until then, up to and even after, I'm your host, Nigel Joshua.